Meet the e-transfer payment method. It lets your customers pay you straight from their bank instead of a credit card, so you skip those 2 to 3% card processing fees on every sale. And it isn't tied to any one country. It works with any bank-to-bank instant transfer service where your customer can send money using an email address, a mobile number, or an account reference. So that's Interac e-transfer in Canada, Zelle in the United States, PayID in Australia, PayNow in Singapore, the faster payment system in Hong Kong, UPI in India, faster payments or pay by bank in the UK, SEPA Instant across the Eurozone, Swish in Sweden, Vips in Norway, and MobilePay in Denmark and Finland, PayShap in South Africa, and any other country with a similar service. You simply tell the add-on what your customers should send the money to and what to show them at checkout. Let's set it up. First, we create the payment method. Go to Settings, Payment Methods, and add a new one. Give it a name your customers will recognize, like Interac e-transfer. Then, under Processor, pick e-transfer and save. That's it. The payment method is created. Now open its Configure tab. First, choose what customers send the transfer to. An email address for Interac, Zelle, or PayID. A mobile number for PayNow, Vips, or Swish. A UPI ID for India, or a bank account reference. Pick one, and every label and hint on the page updates to match. Enter the details they send to right there. Next, the Scan to Pay QR code. Upload an image once. A UPQR, a PayNow QR, or any code your bank uses, and customers can simply scan it in their bank app. Add any custom instructions, like your bank name or a memo format. Then set 3 order statuses, where a new order sits before payment, where it moves once you confirm the transfer, and where it goes if it's auto-canceled. And there's even a ready-made command to auto-cancel unpaid orders. Here's what your customer sees. At checkout, they pick Interac e-transfer and the store shows them exactly how much to send and where, right down to your email address and your custom instructions. And if you uploaded a QR code, it's right there to scan in their bank app, no typing needed. If they've paid this way before, their sending details are already filled in. They can add a memo to help you match the payment. And here's the new part. They can attach a screenshot or PDF of their transfer right on the checkout page. It uploads in the background the moment they pick it with a live preview. So when the order arrives, you already have their proof of payment matched to the order with nothing to chase up. Everything they need is on this one page. What to send, where to send it, a QR to scan, and a place to prove they paid. They place the order and they're done. No card fees, and no waiting on a payment processor. Every e-transfer order shows up under e-transfer pending, so you know exactly which ones to reconcile. Open the order and you'll see the customer's payment details, and right there, the payment proof they attached at checkout. Check it against your bank statement, no need to email them for it. Once the money lands, enter the transaction ID from that statement, and if you like, the date and the bank it came from. Then save. The order jumps straight to paid automatically, and the customer is notified. No card company, no fees, just a clean bank transfer matched to real proof. That's the e-transfer payment method. Take payments straight from the bank and keep the fees for yourself. Brought to you by Cart Modules.